Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a 14-part video series showing you how to create Marlon Garcia house. Let's get started. So let's open a new architecture template. And just a disclaimer that this is not my design, this is my buddy's design. He wanted me to do a 3D to create some images and walkthrough. So to start, let's click on GR or grid line. Let's add in a vertical grid line like this. And then after that, this is still selected. And let's copy. So let's click copy, CO, and then this will be at 7100. And then another one, let's add it at 2900. So we have a total of 10 meters or 10,000 millimeters. After that, let's go back to architecture and click on grid line again, or GR for short. Let's add in a grid line like so. And then let's double click this and use letter A. And then let's click on the grid line. So this is selected. We can now type in CO. So that's for copy. And then let's click on this multiply. So once you click multiply, we can add in, this will be 6900. And then the next one will be at 5100. So let's add in some dimension. So that you guys are aware. So like that. So we have 10 by 12 meters. And then the following, we need to click on wall. And then actually we have to escape and then go to south elevation. Let's add in our elevation first, or our levels. So for level 1 to level 2, let's do 3200. And then we could copy this and add in level 3 at 3200 as well. So let's stop here for now, and then let's just extend this. And after that, you need to go to view so that we could have the floor level number 3 showing here. Let's click on plan view and then floor plan, and then level 3 is already highlighted. You just need to click OK. So once you do, you have level 3 right here. So let's go back to level 1, and now we could create our wall. So first things first, we need to create the exterior wall. So click on wall, and then after that, it will give you basic wall generic 200 millimeters. So that's perfect, but we need to duplicate this first. So edit type, and then duplicate. Let's exchange the name, or change the name to exterior wall number 1 and then press OK. After that, we need to go to edit. We're going to maintain the thickness to 200 and then let's change this to, so for me I just want to put brick common for now. So that will be my exterior wall number 1 and then OK and then OK. So before we start, we need to connect this, so from level 1 to level 2. So we're gonna create our level 1 for now, our floor plan 1, and then let's keep it at center line. And what I usually use is rectangle. Let's click on rectangle, and from this endpoint to the next endpoint, and then press escape. Escape again. And then I want to use exterior wall again. So I'm going to click this one and then I'll use create similar. This is just a quick way of adding the same wall. So I'm going to click this and as you can see, it points out to exterior wall number 1. So I'm going to add a wall right here. And then I'm just going to go over this line, the grid line that we created, and then I'm gonna close it off. Later on, we're gonna put this on a correct dimension, so let's not worry about that for now. After that, we can now delete this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use TR, or you could go to modify or click this icon. That's the trim and extend. So TR for short, and then let's TR this or trim this wall. So next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some walls for the interior. So let's go back to architecture and click on wall, and from the exterior wall number 1, we could go and click edit type again and duplicate this, but instead of exterior we're gonna put interior and then wall number 1, press OK, and then we need to edit. We're gonna change the thickness to 150 and then change the material. So here let's put on clad white and then press OK. You can choose whatever you want. I just keep on changing it so that when I go to Twinmotion, I can easily reorganize everything and change the materials from there. So in this part, I just want to change it. Then press OK. And then after that, we could add in our wall. So this will be level 2 again, center line, and then now let's add it from this line. So again, we're gonna click this wall. So this is the interior wall number 1. And then we could now use this to use create similar. So now I'm just gonna add in a wall right here. And then after that, you could click this one and then we could put it at 1700 like that. Press escape. And then again, let's use this interior wall, CS again for shortcut. And let's add in for now a random dimension on this spot. And then we're gonna change it right now. So now this will be around 2600. So that's correct, 2600. And then this one should be around 2700. So as you can see, you could click that. Temporary dimension will be created, and then you could also move this temporary dimension like so that you can maneuver or change the dimension from which spot you want it. So for now, let's do that. So this will be 1800, like that. Also, once you click this one, it will be, you can change it from here, and then after that, if you click that one, it will be automatically changed to permanent dimension. So something to know. So I'm just gonna delete it for now. And as you can see, you can just keep on doing that if you want everything to be dimension. So, so it looks like everything is taking in shape. What we have to do right here is we need to go to modify and use split element or SL. So you can click this or type in SL, and then now we could slice this, and then once you slice this, you can use TR or trim and extend. So TR, and then you could trim it like that. So trim this area, and then after that press escape to finish the command. So again, we're gonna add in an interior wall here. So click on the interior wall number 1 and then click on CS. We're just gonna add a dimension or a wall right here without any dimension for now, and then on this area as well. So now let's click on this one, and this will be 3800. So right there, as you can see, we actually put it on 3800. And then for this one, this is around 2200, which is what I need. And this one should be 3100. So we could click on this one for now. So everybody can follow. So we have 1400 from this spot. This will be like that. And then we could put this one as well and move it on the side like that. So you can follow all the dimensions that we created and the floor plan. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.